The Nice Don't Blame Me I Voted for Kamala Harris distressed t-shirt is a bold and stylish statement piece that allows wearers to showcase their political stance with confidence. This t-shirt blends fashion and activism seamlessly, featuring a distressed design that adds a vintage flair while making the message stand out even more. Whether you're attending a rally, engaging in political discussions, or simply out and about, this t-shirt is a conversation starter and a testament to your values. Crafted with care, this t-shirt is made from 100% premium cotton, ensuring superior comfort and durability. The high-quality cotton fabric offers a soft, breathable feel, make it, 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 make it,